Hey Embracers, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Erin here. And today I'm going to be showing you all how I do this hairstyle. This is my first time doing this hairstyle, and I'm gonna be honest with you guys. In the beginning, I didn't really know. I knew I wanted to use rubber bands for hairstyle, but I didn't know what exact hairstyle I wanted to achieve. So you guys will see in the video me just trying a couple of things out, but this is the end result. Happy the heck? Okay, happy 4th of July to everyone. Freedom, we kind of have freedom. We still kind of lack freedom in certain things, but that's a different topic for another time. I don't even know if I'm gonna even talk about it. New to my channel, welcome. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become an embracer, which means to basically embrace you, embrace who you are, embrace who God made you to be, and just love you. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Okay, so I just got out of the shower, I have clean hair now, and I'm gonna turn the air off. So I'm gonna be hot just for you guys, just for this video. It's like the night before, so I'm not doing the real hairstyle for real until tomorrow. But let me tell you guys what I'm gonna do, because this is gonna be essential to the outcome of the hairstyle that I've never done before. So we're gonna see how this goes. So while my hair is just all everywhere like this, I'm gonna go in with the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine leave-in conditioner. I got this at Target. I think they have it at Walmart as well. And I'm just gonna put it all over my hair. Guys, I can't believe I freaking cut my hair. I'm still looking for the footage of when I actually the footage of me doing a video of my big chop part 2. So I'm still editing that. I don't even know if I really want to even upload that, to be honest. Next we're gonna go with the rat tooth comb. This is my 1,000,000th rat tooth comb in my hair journey. So I think I'm gonna do this based on the picture. I'm gonna take I'm gonna start at the top of my ear, and I'm gonna try to make as straight as apart as possible. We're just gonna make a line straight across to the other side of my ear. Okay, so I'm gonna put this little bit back here in a ponytail if I can. If not, I have yeah, I need clips. So I have a clip. I'm just gonna clip a section down like that, and then my other clip do the same thing, just to get my hair out of the way. I'm going in with the African Pride Moisture Miracle Flaxseed Oil and Shea Butter Curl Defining Gel and Cream. I've used this before. I love the way it smells, and it works pretty well on my hair. So we're gonna go in with that much and put it all over our hair as well. It smells like coconut, and I love hair products that smell good. Next, we're gonna use our brush, and we're just gonna brush our hair. So since I need something heavy, I'm gonna go in with this hair moisturizer, all natural hair moisturizer, and I'm gonna put it on my hair as well. Because my hair is so thick, I just feel like I need a thick product. I'm just gonna put my hair into a couple sections, not into the sections that I'll actually be doing for the hairstyle, but just a couple of sections so that I can braid it up just for the night. Some little doo-doo braids, that's it, nothing much. I'm just gonna have our brush and just brush. Now I'm gonna go in with some extra virgin olive oil. This is the best oil that I love to use on my hair, and I put a quarter size amount. I'm just gonna put it on my hair. for moisture, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start braiding it. And we're literally just gonna do that for like the whole top row. Basically that's what I'm doing for like all my hair. I'm just braiding it up for the night, and then tomorrow is when we'll actually like get popping on the style. I can't believe I'm showing myself. I look a hot mess right now, you guys, but for all my natural girls out there, I know some people just cut their hair and our hair is kind of like the same length now, same texture a little bit. We're gonna help each other out, you know what I'm saying? Like, you and me, boo. It's a process. And feel free to add more product if you feel like your hair is like dry and it just needs more. Like, I feel like my hair just needs more product on it. This me, and I'm back in the building, and I was hot, y'all. Finished braiding my hair, have my bonnet on now, my little chef bonnet, you know, it tilts to the side. But yeah, so I'm about to go to sleep now, and overnight my hair is gonna dry a little bit, so that'll be good for the braids in the back, because when I take it out, it'll be curly and stuff, hopefully. And then we'll put the rubber bands and stuff on the front section that we just parted. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Good night. Good morning, everyone. It's the next day. As you all can tell, it's light outside and we just have better lighting, so I'm pretty hyped for that. Hair is still, I have morning voice, don't mind that. My hair is still in my bonnet, so I'm just gonna get dressed really quickly and then we're gonna get started on our hair. Okay, you guys, so this is what my hair looks like. So let's get started with this section that we're gonna be braiding up, you guys, which is this section right here, these 3 braids. So I'm gonna put these braids, use this clip that I have, and like put it back, and we have these braids right here, and we're literally, since the part, it's not really that straight, so we're just gonna take all the braids out and make straighter parts.
Hey Zoran, what's up with them beats?
So my rat tail comb, and I'm gonna start making, I think I'm gonna do it based off of 3 parts, like kind of how I have going on here. So now we're getting into the rubber band part. I promise I have a top on, guys. It's just like it's 4th of July, so it's like a band, do like swim top. So we have our section here. I'm going to put a little bit of this Shea Moisture Curl and Styling Milk in this section. I love this stuff. It really makes my hair so soft. I also like using this product when I do my braid outs as well, because it really makes my hair so soft. Like, it's crazy. I need to get more of it. Some oil. I know I oiled my hair last night, but my hair's gonna be in this hairstyle for a couple of days, so I want to make sure it's as moisturized as possible. I honestly don't know like how to do this at all. I don't know, I probably should have watched a tutorial before I try to make a tutorial, but it's whatever. Portion of me doing this tutorial got lost in the sauce, but basically on the left side I did 3 different parts here. I did a part here, a part there, and another part there, and I put it together into like one little ponytail. So basically I did 3, I had the 3 sections, right? And then I also parted the sections on the side into 3 and put rubber bands on them. So hopefully that makes sense. I really hope it makes sense. I don't know where the footage went, but it's gone, you guys. But hopefully I was able to explain that better. And yeah, enjoy the rest of the tutorial. So next we're gonna focus on the top part. Take it out of the clip. Let's put some water on it. Gonna apply some styling milk. Basically everything I applied to the first couple sections, we're gonna apply to all the sections. And what I'm gonna do up here is just make 4 sections here. I'm dripping at the top. Okay, so now I'm separating her hair like this into 2. And up here, I'm going to crisscross. Twisty. And then twist that. This one.
Hey Zoran, what's up with them beats?
Alright, now that my hair is all in the sections, I'm gonna start taking my braids out in the back. So this is the final look. I need to lay my baby hairs down. My baby hairs, just to like finish the style, give it that finished look that it needs. So yeah, this is the finished look. I actually like it. I think it's pretty cute. It's a new hairstyle that I've never done before. Obviously, as you guys know, I really didn't know how this was gonna turn out. I didn't really know what I was doing from the jump, but I'm glad. Like, I seriously like it. Did you guys see the back? All that. It's gonna get bigger throughout the day, hopefully. So yeah, thank you guys for just like hanging with me as I was really trying to figure out how this hairstyle was gonna look. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to see more videos, and don't forget to embrace you because you're beautiful just the way you are. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.